Hi guys, welcome to a new special sounds video. Please join me as we say all of our sounds that we have been learning so far. Ready, begin. Ing in pointing, I-N-G. N in not, K-N. N in gnat, G-N. Ang in bang, A-N-G. Ing in king, I-N-G. Ong in long, O-N-G. Ung in strung, U-N-G. Ink in wink, I-N-K. Ank in bank, A-N-K. Onk in honk, O-N-K. Unk in trunk, U-N-K. Wa in wash, W-A. In adopt, A. E in baby, Y. Ol in little, L-E. Ed in wanted, E-D. T in looked, E-D. D in played, E-D. W in whale, W-H. H in who, W-H. Ch in patch, T-C-H. Ear in ear, E-A-R. Air in bear, E-A-R. In earth, E-A-R. Old in gold, O-L-D. And the one we're learning today is in lamb, M-B. In lamb, M-B. And you may say, wait, but there's a B there. You're right, but the B is silent. So all you will hear when you see M and B together is you will hear the M. So say it with me. In lamb, M-B. Nice job. Now let's go ahead and take out that piece of paper and pencil, and let's follow along as we write down words that have this special sound. Okay, here's our first one. Go ahead and pause the video, circle the special sound, and then unpause to join us. Nice work. Let's check it and see what you did. If you also found another special sound in there and you circled that, great job. I'm going to mark my vowel as well so I know how to say it. Okay, did you find that special sound, MB? Nice. Now let's sound it out. The TH says thumb, 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 thumb. I'm going to give you a thumbs up when you are doing such a great job. Nice work. Thumb. Go ahead and use the word thumb in a sentence. What do you like to use your thumb for? It's an important finger on your hand. Awesome. Great job. I hope you like to give people thumbs up too when they do a good job. Let's do another one. All right, go ahead, pause the video, write this word down, and circle that special sound. All right, nice job. Let's check your work and see how you did. right, here we go. Did you circle the MB? Nice job. And now this ED says D. So when we sound it out, that's what it's going to say. So, K-O, comb, combed, combed, combed. Every morning, my brother combed his hair for work. Combed. Now you go ahead and use the word combed in a sentence. Good. All right, let's do another one together. You're doing such a great job. Okay, pause the video so you can write this word down and circle the special sound. Okay, did you do it? Did you circle it? Let's check your work and see how you did. All right, here it is. Did you find the MB? Nice job. Now let's sound it out. K-O, coal, I'm, climbs, 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 climbs. The lizard climbs up the wall in my backyard. Climbs. Now you guys go ahead and use the word climbs in a sentence. Good. Nice sentence. Let's do one more. Here it is. Go ahead and pause the video so you can write it down and circle the special sound. Okay, let's check your work and see how you did. Is this what you did? Did you find it? Good. And now let's sound it out. K-er, crumb, crumbs, crumbs, crumbs. Whenever I eat cookies, sometimes crumbs fall on the floor. And then my dog likes to go get them. Crumbs. Now you use the word crumbs in a sentence. Nice. Great job today. Well, thank you for joining me in today's lesson. Today we learned all about in lamb, and please continue watching all of these videos, and thank you for joining us. But until next time, bye-bye.